Hey there guys, what's happening? It's Mike here, coming to you from outside my apartment here in District 7 of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you a guided tour of my apartment and the local area. And I'm also going to be sharing how much it costs to live here in a pretty nice apartment in District 7 of Saigon. So without further ado, let's head on round this side of the apartment, and to start off, I'll show you the local area. There's a lot of nice little restaurants and coffee shops, so let's head round this side of the condo and get myself a coffee to start off the video. So down on the ground floor, there's a bunch of shops, convenience stores, GS25. I think that's a Korean chain of convenience stores actually. A lot of Korean people living here in D7. This is the building next door to mine. They've actually got a really nice swimming pool out the back that I'll show you. This isn't the pool that I use. I'm going to show you the pool that I use in just a second, but another convenience store there, Winmart, where you can get pretty much everything. And here, as you can see, a load of local food stores. Some nice barbecued meat here. Looks absolutely amazing, doesn't it? Man, look at that. Delicious. Can get pho there, the nice noodle soup. Another convenience store there, Co-op food. We've got the Co-op in the UK as well. Pretty sure it's not the same brand. But this little place on the corner, it's called Busy Bee Coffee. Does some absolutely awesome coffee. So let's go and get a Cafe Da. I think it's Cafe Denda it's called. A black iced coffee. Let's get me one of them, and then I'll show you the swimming pool. Xin chào. Cafe Denda, please. Take away. Another coffee shop there, Q7 coffee there. If I ever fancy a coffee, I've got plenty of options to choose from. And down here as well, we've got some nice dim sum places. Great for breakfast. And another noodle place there. So within a minute or 30 seconds even walking distance of the building, loads of great places to eat and drink, which is important, isn't it? $18,000, right? Yeah. There you go. 18,000. That's what? 75 cents. 24,000's a dollar. Pretty affordable for a coffee. Thank you, my friend. Okay, so now we've got my Cafe Denda, my iced black coffee. Let's head on up to the swimming pool. I'll show you that next. So the pool is on the second floor, and I've got to say, it's one of the highlights of living here. I've been in the pool every single day since I moved in about 10 days ago. Really, really happy with it. There's a gym as well that I'll show you on our way up to the pool. So you can see there's quite a lot of people around. It's Tuesday morning today. It's about 9:30 now, but it's a public holiday here in Vietnam. Today they call it Reunification Day, I believe. So there's all the kids are off school. Everybody's out of the office until tomorrow. Kind of like a bank holiday weekend, we call it in the UK. So there we are, a little space in between the two buildings. People play basketball there on an evening. Looks like there's a new coffee shop going to be opening up there. Here's the place that I pointed out before, the Banh Mi store. Right on my doorstep. And let's go inside and show you guys around. Nice entrance foyer. Take you down here. The gym is on the right hand side. It's an additional $2 million for 6 months, which is like $90 for 6 months to join the gym, which is in there. I'm not going to take you guys in, but it's a pretty good gym. It's got everything that you need in there. I'm going to be joining that for sure. At the moment I've still got membership to another gym, so I'm just going to wait a couple of weeks until that runs out. Alright, so here we are on the second floor, and the pool is pretty awesome. Like I said, it's got a little kids section here, and then down at this side it's usually pretty quiet, like today. A nice long, I don't know, that must be what, 25, maybe 30 meters. Nice long pool. I do 20 lengths every morning in here. There's a community room with a table tennis room. Some ladies do yoga in there in the morning as well. But really, an absolutely great pool. And for the price, you know, $430 a month is what I'm paying for this place. You'd pay $430 a month just to be in a health club with a pool like this. So yeah, very happy with the leisure facilities at this place. Let's head on upstairs to my condo. Alright, so here we are. Home sweet home. So I've got a key entry card to get in, which is useful. You can also put the code in if you lose your key. And here is the Davison residence, guys. All right, so let me just put my things down and I'll show you around. So as you can see, the living space and the kitchen are fairly big. Not sure how many square meters, but it's a pretty basic kitchen. To be quite honest, I don't cook a lot, but I do have a stove here that I haven't turned on. I've used the microwave a few times. A coffee maker is important for me. I love my coffee. Nice big fridge there, which is cool. And I'll show you the view in just a second, but I'll just give you guys a sort of a general tour. So we've got the bathroom here at the back. You don't need to see in there. You can imagine what the bathroom's like. We've got the guest bedroom here. Now I'm thinking about converting this into an office. At the moment, there's just like an Asian style mattress here in the room, but I'm thinking about converting this into like a studio style office. It's a big enough room. It's pretty nice. The wallpaper's nice. It's got aircon. So let's see, in a few months, this is probably going to be converted into my office. You can see obviously the dining table there. It's got a smart TV. This is the master bedroom where I sleep. Nice big bed, nice wardrobes, fitted wardrobes there. And the view is pretty stunning actually. Pull these back and you can see the view from the bed ain't bad at all, is it? Look at that. Beautiful view. That's the Saigon River there. Let's go outside and actually have a look at that view properly. Without doubt, one of the best features of living here is the amazing view. I'm just doing a bit of drying outside. You can see here as well, I've got my washing machine, which is cool. And then look at this view, guys. Sun comes up over here over the Saigon River, and you can see always a lot of barges, a lot of big container ships coming down this river. There is a big port just over there. I don't know if you can see the cranes, but that's where a lot of the container ships go down into the Eastern Sea. But absolutely amazing view. You can also see the tallest building in Southeast Asia. Let's just see if we can zoom in and see Landmark 81. Yes, you can. You can see it just in the distance there. Oh, sorry, dodgy camera work there. But that tall building right there is Landmark 81, which is the tallest building in Southeast Asia. But I love the view. You've got all the green, and you can literally see where the edge of the city starts, moving all the way into the center of D2 there, where you can see Landmark 81. So great place to just sit and watch the world go by on the balcony. So there you have it, guys, a tour of my 10 million dong or 430 US dollar apartment here in District 7 of Saigon. And I've got to say, I'm very, very happy with what I found. I looked at a few different places, but this place, without a doubt, was the pick of the bunch. Now, delicious coffee. You've got to try that when you come here. Now, I paid a 10 million deposit. So 1 month deposit was required when I moved in. I also have to pay an additional 100,000 dong per month to park my motorbike downstairs. That's only about $4, so it's not going to break the bank, right? Now, some condos and apartments do require you to pay what they call management fees. However, in this case, the management fees have been included in the price. So overall, I'm very, very happy. I think I've got a great deal. If you are planning on coming to Ho Chi Minh City and you're looking for apartments, I would recommend looking in Facebook groups or on Facebook Marketplace. This is how I found this place. There's loads of different freelance agents renting properties on there, and there's an abundance of apartments like this. Yeah, these apartments, they're 10 a penny. Saying that, I'm very, very happy with the place that I found. I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys, and if you would like to connect with me and other expats and digital nomads traveling the world, you can join my free Facebook group, Digital Nomad Entrepreneurs. There's a link in the description to this video for you to join today. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.